Hey, welcome everybody. It's Mark Schultz, the founder of DigitalAircraft, and I'm here today to tell you about a conference next week, which is the AircraftIT conference in Bangkok. It's on the 19th and 20th of October on Wednesday and Thursday, and I'm really looking forward to being there and meeting all of you that are going to be at the conference and having discussions with you about digital and about different projects and some of your needs and requirements. And in support of this initiative, I decided to have a guest on today who works in the region and is familiar with the different clients and customers in the region. And so I'm going to go ahead and bring him right in, and we're going to have a conversation today about that region of the world. Arninda, I also recognize that in different regions, many times people are looking for different solutions. Like maybe one area is looking for a best of breed solution, or another area is looking for an entirely comprehensive solution, or maybe sometimes people are looking for point solutions, which are addressing, specific challenges and problems. What are you seeing in the regions, and what are people generally looking for when they're looking for an MRO system?
Sure, Mark. So if you see Ramco platform, it is an extensive and quite deep platform where we offer an integrated end-to-end business processes, whether it is related to continuous airworthiness, whether it is related to hangar line, engine maintenance, the whole of procurement and supply chain, and integrated with our finance and HR system. So when I say that it is an integrated platform, it is also modular and componentized. So we are flexible enough to deploy certain modules as per the requirement. And as we see from an Asia perspective, the preference or the uptake is more of a comprehensive end-to-end one solution or one platform where they can take the advantages of an integrated system as well as deal with one single OEM or source of vendor. So that's our experience has been that in Asia, that is the pathway that the organization look to take forward. Whereas in Oceania region, they prefer a kind of a best of breed, but there are organizations who have implemented our complete suite. However, their focus is more on, again, automation, and since the challenges with the labor force and availability, they do and uptake a lot of automated processes firsthand whenever it is released.
Well, one thing we've definitely learned is that every operation is different and it's unique, and every operation has their own unique IT portfolio, and it becomes important for us to be able to evaluate that and assess that and understand what the real business needs are. And I know that Ramco does a good job of implementing what it is that a specific operator might be looking for. That's really good. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you having conversations with me today. And for those of you watching out there, I wanted to remind you that the AircraftIT conference will be in Bangkok next week on Wednesday and Thursday, October 19th and 20th. And there's going to be quite a lot of different vendors there. And it's an opportunity for you to be able to go and to learn very quickly about solutions and what people are doing and hear stage presentations. And it's going to be very interesting to be able to go there and to reconnect with people and to learn about what they're doing in digital, and in a very short period of time, find out what vendors like Ramco are doing to be able to help these operators to create success.